Are you looking for the fuse box location in your BMW X4 F26 2014 to 2018? In this video, we'll quickly show you all fuse box locations, including the engine compartment and cabin area, and explain how they protect your sedan vehicle's electrical system. Passenger compartment fuse box location. The passenger side fuse box in the BMW X7 2019 to 2022 is a key component of the vehicle's electrical distribution and protection system, responsible for supplying and safeguarding power to a wide range of passenger compartment, body comfort, safety, and electronic functions. It contains numerous fuses with different amperage ratings, each designed to protect a particular electrical circuit from excessive current, overloads, or short circuits that could otherwise damage wiring, control modules, or connected electrical components. Depending on the vehicle's configuration and equipment level, the fuse box can provide protection for systems such as power windows, electrically adjustable and heated seats, seat belt components, interior lighting, roof and sunroof functions, center console controls, body electronics, communication modules, infotainment-related equipment, convenience features, and various vehicle control systems. It works together with the BMW X7's sophisticated electronic control units and power management system to distribute electrical energy efficiently while isolating individual circuits when an electrical fault occurs. This helps prevent a problem in one circuit from affecting the entire vehicle electrical system and makes the fuse box an important part of the vehicle's overall electrical safety strategy. A blown fuse can cause an individual feature or group of features to stop functioning, so checking the appropriate fuse is often an important step when diagnosing problems such as non-operational windows, seats, interior equipment, lighting, or other electrically controlled functions. The fuse box is also designed to make fuse identification and replacement more straightforward when electrical maintenance is required, although access and fuse assignments can vary according to the exact model configuration. Since the BMW X7 was available with different engines, optional equipment, technology packages, and market-specific specifications during these model years, the exact fuse positions, ratings, and functions may differ between vehicles. For this reason, the vehicle-specific fuse diagram should always be consulted before performing any replacement or electrical inspection, and a replacement fuse should always match the specified amperage rating to maintain proper circuit protection. Overall, the passenger side fuse box plays an essential role in keeping the BMW X7's numerous electrical and electronic systems protected, organized, and reliably powered during everyday operation. In addition, the passenger side fuse box also serves as an important diagnostic reference when several electrical functions stop working at the same time. A single failed fuse can interrupt power to multiple related components, depending on how the circuits are arranged, so checking the fuse assignment can help narrow down the source of an electrical problem. The fuse panel is designed to accommodate the BMW X7's extensive electronic architecture, including control units, switching circuits, sensors, communication systems, and convenience equipment that require stable and protected power. Some circuits may also be associated with advanced driver assistance, passenger protection, climate control, and vehicle access functions, depending on the installed equipment. The Body Domain Controller, BDC, in the BMW X7 2019 to 2022 is a central electronic control unit responsible for managing and coordinating many of the vehicle's body and comfort functions. Luggage compartment fuse box location. The luggage compartment fuse box in the BMW X7 2019 to 2022 is a key part of the vehicle's electrical distribution and protection system, providing controlled power and circuit protection for numerous electronic, comfort, safety, communication, and body-related functions. It contains multiple fuses with different amperage ratings, with each fuse designed to protect a specific electrical circuit from excessive current, short circuits, and potential damage to wiring or electronic components. Depending on the vehicle's engine, trim level, production configuration, and optional equipment, the luggage compartment fuse box can protect and supply power to systems such as the fuel pump control electronics, rear axle and differential control modules, electric exhaust flap, radar and driver assistance sensors, electromechanical power steering, active roll stabilization, BMW night vision, head unit, trailer socket, subwoofer, audio components, and other electronically controlled vehicle functions. It may also provide protection for various rear body electronics, communication systems, convenience equipment, and control modules that require a stable and properly protected electrical supply. Each circuit is assigned an appropriately rated fuse so that if an electrical overload or short circuit occurs, the fuse can interrupt the current before excessive electrical flow causes damage to the associated wiring or components. The fuse box therefore helps isolate electrical faults and prevents problems in one circuit from affecting other vehicle systems. Its organized fuse layout also makes it easier to identify the circuit associated with a malfunctioning component and perform electrical inspections or fuse replacement when required. Because the BMW X7 uses a complex network of electronic control units and interconnected systems, the correct fuse rating is important for maintaining safe and reliable operation, and a replacement fuse should always match the specified rating. Overall, the luggage compartment fuse box plays an essential role in distributing electrical power throughout the vehicle while protecting important electronic circuits, supporting dependable operation of the X7's advanced equipment, and simplifying electrical diagnosis and maintenance when a protected system experiences a power-related fault. Beyond its basic circuit protection function, the luggage compartment fuse box also supports the BMW X7's sophisticated rear electrical architecture by ensuring that power is delivered safely and consistently to the individual modules and components that depend on it. The fuse arrangement can vary according to the vehicle's equipment package, drivetrain, market specification, and optional features, so not every X7 will use every available fuse position. Several circuits may be associated with electronic control units that communicate with other vehicle modules through the vehicle's data network, allowing systems to coordinate functions such as chassis control, driver assistance, power management, lighting, audio, and comfort features. The fuse box also helps protect circuits that operate motors, pumps, sensors, actuators, communication equipment, and other electrically controlled devices from abnormal current conditions. When a fuse opens because of an electrical fault, the affected system may stop functioning or display a warning message, while other independently protected systems can continue operating normally. This makes individual fuse protection particularly important in a vehicle with a large number of interconnected electronic systems. During inspection, technicians can use the fuse identification chart and vehicle-specific electrical information to determine the correct fuse position, amperage rating, and circuit assignment before carrying out any replacement. A visual inspection can sometimes reveal a broken fuse element, although certain electrical faults may require additional testing with appropriate diagnostic equipment because a fuse can appear intact while another problem exists in the circuit. It is also important to identify and correct the underlying cause of a repeatedly blown fuse rather than continually replacing the fuse, as repeated failure can indicate a short circuit, excessive electrical load, damaged wiring, or a malfunctioning component. The fuse box therefore contributes not only to electrical safety, but also to systematic fault isolation and maintenance of the vehicle's complex electrical network. Proper fuse ratings must be maintained because installing a fuse with an incorrect rating can compromise circuit protection and potentially damage wiring or electronic components. In addition, electrical work should be performed with appropriate precautions to avoid accidental short circuits or damage to sensitive control modules. With its organized circuit layout and dedicated protection for numerous vehicle functions, the luggage compartment fuse box helps maintain reliable operation of the BMW X7's advanced electrical equipment while providing an important point for electrical inspection, troubleshooting, and service. In addition to these functions, the luggage compartment fuse box works as part of the X7's overall power management strategy, helping ensure that electrical loads are distributed according to the requirements of individual systems and control modules. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.